Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a peaceful AI-generated cat video for free. First, go to ChatGPT and prompt it to generate an image of a peaceful cat. Once you have the image, download it to your device. Next, head over to Pixverse AI. Select the video generation option and adjust the settings to your preference. Then, upload the cat photo you just downloaded. In the description box, add any details you'd like, such as the scene, mood, or actions, to guide the AI. Finally, click Generate, and let the magic happen. Within moments, your custom AI cat video will be ready. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content like this. See you in the next video.